earlier about, having everything within ServiceNow. You've got all your logs, all your recording, all your data, all the experience, you've got these metrics. What have you really been able to learn now that you have everything in one place? I know we're 10 months in and you're still learning, but anything in particular from that new data that you didn't have?
Yes, because it's pulling the logs, right? I know what type of machine we used. We can see the type of OS and the memory and everything. We took those data and we analyzed and said, okay, we have more problems in Windows versus Mac, so we need to see what's going on there. Why they're opening more tickets? It's help us to analyze what's going on in our environment and to do some improvements there, right? We invested in other tools to help us to fix the problems that we have. So with your dashboard and the logs that you're pulling and the ability that you have to upload the screenshots and to take a feature called replay, to record the things and upload those, the videos to the call, help us to analyze and understand what's going on in our environment. And it was new to us, and it's I can say that our agent cannot live without it today.